So how I want to talk about you have a product line of Khusse. Is that the collaboration? That's not the collaboration you were talking about. But there's some Khussa project that I want.
Yeah, no, that is the one I mentioned
That's the one.
earlier.
Acha. Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Is that how seriously are you taking Istanake's special like product lines or merch, to use a better, not so better term?
Hmm.
Is that something you're looking to do more of in the future?
Definitely, actually, इससे पहले भी मेरी एक हुई थी collection about 2.5 years ago or so. That was for a jewelry collection. So
Yes.
that was like a
Jewelry.
13-piece jewelry wo. So that this one is my second one, and in fact, अभी हम लोग कल ही दूसरा उसका batch launch कर रहे हैं, which is a big thing. कि, the a new set of products is coming out in it. Why I really want to do that is because it's not to say कि अपने brand में इतना वो नहीं काम लगता. Obviously, any kind of project is a lot of work. कोई भी हो. Even doing a sponsored collab for someone, but when you kind of work with a brand and it's not your brand but they're kind of creating something for you, so वो एक बहुत अलग किस्म की collaboration होती है, because they kind of are matching with your aesthetic and you're trying to, like, you have to find that synergy so it's between two people, and then you really need to match energies, you need to match aesthetics,
Right.
and all of that. So it's very interesting in that way कि आपको you're doing all of the creative part of it, and you're doing obviously all the other part के making sure कि सब कुछ सही है, like I said, the manufacturing, all of those things, and we even contributed part of our earnings to back to the trans community in Pakistan. So
Right.
making sure कि उसमें एक certain part है which gives back to the community. All of these things are very important to me. Size inclusive होना, we added on like a size 13 तक we went in the last
Oh
वो.
wow.
So
Okay.
these facts, factors. तो मुझे ज्यादा ये होता है बिकॉज अभी आई एम गोना स्टार्ट, अब मेरा एक्चुअली प्लान यही है कि मैं अपनी ब्लॉग पे भी इसकी बात ज्यादा करूंगी, बट आई थिंक इट्स वेरी अंडररेटेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के लिए, एटलीस्ट पीपल हु आर डूइंग अ गुड जॉब, के हाउ इट टाइज बैक इनटू, मतलब it's an actual business partnership, so it's not
Right.
just people playing with stuff and taking pretty pictures. It's an actual business partnership. And like my this brand ki jo owner hai, she was telling me that in COVID times, she said the supplier was so happy that he got such a huge order, because they didn't expect ke COVID ke time mein itna bada order aayega, and people shopped. And एक बड़ी बात है कि even though it's still consumerism, at the end of the day, आप
Sure.
लोगों को कह रहे हो
Sure.
कोई चीज खरीदो, but if it's a thoughtfully designed product, आप लोगों को, ये मैं हर वक्त मैंने बोला है, mindfully consume करें. मुझे कितने लोगों ने private message करके बोला, because it's made, it's a Canadian brand, so उधर and for the rest of the world, $50-$60 is still a decent, वो आप कर लेते हो spend. It's not
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
very heavy, or in fact where you are तो वो और भी कम होगा.
Yeah.
But for Pakistan, yes, the price is a little high, steep, because Pakistan में खुद से आपको मिल जाता है, I think 3,000 का, max
Yeah. Yeah.
4
Yeah.
का मिल जाएगा. This goes in somewhere like 7. So वो अब they need to have that scale to have Pakistan specific prices. But even जब लोगों ने मुझसे प्राइवेट में पूछा था ना कि हम नहीं खरीद पा रहे, हम क्या करें, तो I was like, नहीं खरीद पा रहे, so you don't buy it, it's not a must have.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
ये मैं अपनी बाकी भी बहुत उनमें बोलती हूँ, like I was working with Dyson and they had like a really fancy vacuum that came out. Sorry, I'm like digressing. But मुझे कितने लोगों ने ये भी पूछा था कि हम ये खरीदें, तो I was like, no, you don't need to, because सालों से लोग घर वैसे भी साफ कर रहे हैं. So it's
Yeah.
not like you need to buy a fancy vacuum,
Yeah.
So, but I was like, yeah, if you're like someone like me who's living by them, who cleans by themselves, who has like a full-time job, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, so it just makes it easier to do your job, but you don't need it, So
Yeah.
back to this thing, I want to really make it normal, and I think I have normalized it in a way, because जब मैंने शुरू किया था तो ये नहीं था concept of doing exclusive collections with a particular influencer where you're giving them the autonomy to design the product. जैसे उन्होंने मेरे साथ ये the brand Meraki did like so many samples with me, like शुरू के 4 महीने तो सिर्फ सैंपल ही वो ट्राई हो रहे थे, कि क्या पसंद क्यों नहीं आ रहा. एंड आई वाज वेरी फ्रैंक विद देम. आई टोल्ड देम आई रियली क्लिक्ड विद द गर्ल हु ओन्स Meraki, एंड हमने बहुत शुरू में इस तरह फ्रैंक वो बात की कि इफ आई डोंट लाइक इट, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू जस्ट टेल यू, एंड इट नीड्स टू बी 100%. इनफैक्ट किसी को मैंने अभी मेंशन नहीं किया था, बट मैंने जो पहला शूट किया था, इट एक्चुअली बॉम्ब्ड कंप्लीटली. बिल्कुल उसका रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं आया. शी वाज सो नाइस, शी हेल्ड her inventory in the warehouse until I redid it. And for a business to do that, like every day a
Yeah.
product is on in their warehouse, is an extra cost, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
उन सब चीजों के लिए I want to talk about it, and I definitely अभी मैंने अपनी third collection पे भी काम शुरू कर दिया, which will come out later in the year. But I definitely want to even use this opportunity for people to understand that in a country like Pakistan, मैं तो यहाँ बैठी हूँ, but in a country like Pakistan, for women to have created work opportunities while sitting at home, and they're giving back to the economy, because to be honest, when I started, marketing budgets में digital का कोई budget नहीं होता था, and now there's a disproportionate
Yeah,
part
it's
of
all
that which
digital.
is
Yeah,
for digital.
yeah,
So I think people look at the worst in the influencer community and talk about that, and they never look at the best in the community and say, look, and बाकी सब industries में ऐसा ही होता है. You talk about the best artists, you talk about the best writers, best movie makers, best actors, but influencers, you talk about the best, worst ones, and you say, look at the industry, it's
Yeah.
a total mess, you know. And अगर मैं अपनी example लूँ, the amount of money I've raised for Pakistan just the last year alone, it's been a lot of money. So like, there are a lot, and it's not just me, there are lots of people doing so much work. So I want to use all of this together to say that, you know, these are entrepreneurs, small time businesses, who are small businesses who are doing like really good work, and it is tied to the economy. So the collection thing is a big aspect of it, and I think even doing these, जैसे मुझे पता है कि बाद में मुझे थोड़ा दूसरों के थ्रू भी पता लगा कि a lot of influencers even reached out to brands saying हमें इस तरह की collections करनी है.
right.
So it creates that thing in the market where the
Yeah,
brand will also understand
Precedent हो
कि, you
जाता
know,
है ना.
हाँ, and brand के अंदर भी तो रूम बने ना कि वो आपको trust करें. Like
Yeah,
पहले ये भी होता था कि आप आइडिया देते थे तो कहते थे नहीं 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 हमें इसी तरह चाहिए है वो, you know. And I've said
exactly.
no to so many scripts from really cool brands who've not accepted scripts. They say हमें यही script चाहिए, and now it's at a point where they let you create the script, they let you shoot it the way you want to. So this is also in that same line for me,
Right,
at least,
right,
you know.
right, right.